Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Pocket FM promo code. Right, so here I will show you how to get it. So you have to just go to Google, search for Pocket FM promo code. Now here you will get this lots of option, lots of website which works, right? So in this way you can find, for example, this is a grab on website. So let's go into here. Now here there's a free offer. So I will just go and click on it. It will show me offer activated and in just few seconds it will redirect back to my Pocket FM. Now I can buy it, right? And if you want some of the codes, right, so they also have some kind of codes here, right? If you're not able to find it in this website, you can move to a different one. For example, Pocket FM promo code and offer. So let's go here and let it load. Okay, and in this way you can just explore more and more and you can get as much offers as you want, right? So here are some of the offers, right? Watch popular series, you can get this deal, right? Same goes here. These are some of the promo codes which you can apply. So thanks for watching, and this is how you can find. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.